What's up, guys? It's Chris Patrick, aka the Knife Brother, the kitchenware extraordinaire, and I got a brand new product to show you. It was almost a year ago today when we revealed the last item, which was the 6-inch vegetable knife from Cutco. This time, I've got a brand new item, and I think you guys are gonna love it. We're gonna unbox it today. I got with me my pocket knife, and of course it's Cutco. I'm gonna open it up real quick. And Cutco sent me this. This literally just came out Monday, guys, so I'm so excited. I already know what it is, but I'm not gonna reveal this. I'm not gonna unveil it to you guys until just a second from now. All right, that should do it. All right, y'all ready for this? This is the new Cutco product. They unveiled this for the 75th anniversary of Cutco. Each month they are revealing something new. So this month it's going to be this, which I'll give it away, is a 4-inch vegetable knife. Now, if y'all remember last year around June, we came out with the 6-inch version. Now, oh, this is so cute. Now we have a 4-inch version. It's so cute. Oh, let me show y'all all of them real quick. Where is it at? Oh, here it is. Okay, so these are all the vegetable knives now. So we got the 8-inch version, we got the 6-inch version, and now Cutco has the 4-inch version. And it is actually smaller than I thought, which is really cute. And you ladies are really gonna like this because ladies typically like smaller knives that aren't heavy. This is very lightweight, easy to use. It's perfect for things like this, green onions. So we're gonna kind of chop a little bit so you guys can see how this operates. And you can kind of point the camera down a little bit to show this. Oh, look at that. It goes through like butter. Look at that. And then if you want to do a little chopping motion, you can do that as well. Scoop up what you do after. It's really cool. I'm glad I got this thing. All right, so Cutco calls this the 4-inch vegetable knife. It's the new item in the Cutco line. Just came out. It's available on the Cutco Chris website that we'll have attached to the video. Make sure you check it out. This is Chris Patrick with the unboxing of the 4-inch vegetable knife, the kitchenware extraordinaire. You guys make sure you check me out in another video.